We are about to head into the Nepal Cooking School and be taught to cook and then eat one of our favourite dishes on planet Earth, momos. Cooking and eating is my favourite thing to do in the whole world, and I haven't been able to cook since March when we left the UK, so this is a real treat.
So this is the Nepal Cooking School here in Kathmandu, and we have got the lovely Samjala and Neelam who are going to be teaching us how to make vegetable momos.
This here is a beautiful chef's knife. I cannot wait to get to work on it. That sounded a little bit sadistic, I apologise.
It's been a while, hasn't it?
It's been a while since I've used one.
Since
I can't wait.
Some vegetables. That looks like one of those salt lamps that you get that helps you sleep at night. It's huge. So the first and most important step of the cooking class is to wash our hands.
Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. We're well past that now.
So first of all, I will describe all the spices and this one, okay? So this one, the main spices in our Nepalese kitchen. So what is this?
Mustard seeds.
Mustard seeds.
Peppercorns.
No.
No? It's got to be...
Pepper, but what kind of pepper?
Ah, Szechuan?
Yes, it's
Yes.
pepper.
Well, this one I'm not so
Can I
sure.
smell it?
It doesn't get the smell, I think.
I'm thinking fenugreek.
Yeah,
Fenugreek.
very good, very good.
Another point for Adam.
Very good.
What is this?
Salt.
Salt.
Oh, well done, Yaz. You got the salt right at least.
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Cumin.
Cumin.
Chili powder.
Chili powder.
Yeah.
Okay, so they both are the Himalayan rock salt. So the pink one, pink Himalayan salt, and this one, the black Himalayan salt. So actually, the pink one we're using for the cooking time, and the black one is like a medicine. Those person have a gastric problem. Those person have a diarrhea problem. It removes that problem. Now we are going to making dough.
Right, so we've got the bowls at the ready, and we are going to start making the dough.
It's very soft flour while making a dough. Okay. So this one is a quarter cups. So it means like a 9 to 10 grams of flour. Just
Okay.
one hand, 5 fingers. Okay.
One hand, five
Yeah.
fingers.
Just one hand, 5 fingers. Now take all the flours in one part, make it like a ball using a palm and just knead it by the palms, okay? So while making dough, we have to little bit press hardly.
That's how you knead dough. So we've come upon our first problem, which is Yasmin does not like coriander. She literally can't eat anything with it. And I love it so much, I have to have the extra coriander in everything. So I'm going to be chopping up the coriander.
Yes! I hate coriander so much, but I like spring onion. And we've got lots of that. Is this just small pieces?
Yeah, same, small pieces.
One eternity later.
Are you done yet?
Nearly.
Alright guys, for all of you back in the UK with your English breakfast tea nonsense,
Hey, I like that.
this is the real stuff, chai masala. We're having it black because we don't drink dairy.
Cheers, guys.
Oh, that is so good.
It's good.
That is so good, it's really, really sweet.
It's really sweet. I was just going to say it's really sweet, but in a good way.
I could probably have 10 of these a day, but won't have teeth for very long.
So whilst we are drinking these, our dough is currently resting, and it should be only a few more minutes until it's ready, and then we can start making the momos.
Gonna develop all the gluten.
Okay, now you just check your dough. How is
One
it? Is
hand?
it before and after?
Oh,
It's very
it
soft.
feels really nice. It's like a stress ball.
Wow.
So for the momo, we have to make it very small type of ball, okay? Make it like this type of ball.
Okay. Oh, it's tiny.
Okay.
And boom, we have 10 perfectly rolled, well I think perfectly rolled anyway,
Yeah,
dough
it's
balls.
perfect.
Like that.
More, yeah.
A bit of flour.
And then using your rollers, so we are going to making circle type of chapati, okay? So 1, 2, you have to change the side. 1, 2, change the side.
Oh, that's how you get it perfectly round.
There's my snack hole.
That doesn't...
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. So it's your first try, so it's very good.
B minus. Okay.
Just 1, 2 doesn't make it perfect. Like a practice makes man perfect.
Okay. That's about as perfect a circle as I'm getting.
It's mine. Is that big enough?
Yeah, very good. You're trying very good.
Oh, thanks.
Alright, so we have all of our Momo dough flattened out, ready for filling.
Reminds me so much of when I used to make cakes. I used to roll out so much icing.
That's why I was so good at it. Okay, now it's time to put the all-important fillings in and turn these dough into mobile.
Mobiles.
Momos. Sorry, just gonna watch the expert do it first.
Look,
So
yeah.
first of all, pins in front.
Yep.
And then take the steppers in front down. Again, you do have 2 sides. So you just take it together up and then pins. The main thing is here. You have to take it in front down, like slowly.
Oh wow.
And then we have to close these parts.
Okay.
From the middles too. You just take it together, pinched, and again down. And then go on continuously the way.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Okay.
That is a work of art.
That's my attempt. That's not that
That's
bad,
really
is
good.
it?
I'm impressed.
How's that look?
Thank you.
It's very good. Perfect.
She's laughing at me.
Perfect.
1 down, only 9 more to go.
There's my second attempt, which is a lot better than the first. But that one, I'm really happy with that.
That looks very skilled.
So we're learning a different style of how to close them. So it's more like a rounded shape. So fold like that.
Yeah.
So you fold and pinch. Fold, pinch. It's very fiddly.
Wow.
No,
Very
not,
good.
it's not good. It's really bad.
That is a work of art.
It's really bad. Adam's not quite got the nick of it.
You don't need to look at that. There's nothing to see here. There's nothing to see here. Everything's fine.
This shape is so much harder than the other one. And I can see why we do this 1 second.
4 pins. 4
It
pins.
looks so easy when you do it.
4 pins. 4 pins. 4 pins. 4 pins. 4 pins.
And you like cop it in your hand, don't you? You like cop it. Which
Yeah.
makes it look good as well. That's what it's supposed to look like. It's cooking time.
That one is a normal water, okay? We don't need salt, nothing. Then we'll take it up and then close it. So for the veg momo, we have to steam like 10 to 15 minutes. So first of all, steam it like this way, then after take it rest for the 10 minutes for the cool of the water. So now we are going to making momo pickles.
I mean, you know what? I would add more chili, but I don't want to ruin the flavour of it.
Yeah. If you more chili flavors, it doesn't taste like more flavory.
I'm going to hold back on the chili this time. That's perfect amount of chili, perfect amount of lemon, everything.
You feeling okay?
Okay, so far guys, we made our Momo dough. We made the filling, we had some tea, and we made the pickles to dip them in after. So now we're just waiting for the momos themselves to cook,
Yep.
and we are going to dig in, I hope. We'll see, maybe.
Okay, so yes, momos is done. So how to know the momos is done or not? If the tipper part's not sticky, it's done. If it's sticky, it's not done. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, if you like to feel, you just feel it. It's
That's
sticky? No.
definitely not sticky. So guys, these are our finished momos. A few of them look really, really good. A few of them look a little interesting to say the least.
I think they've come out pretty well, to be honest.
But for a first timer, I think I deserve at least a B. This beautiful one here is definitely one that I made and not Neela. And we've got our dip, we've got our momos. I don't know if let's go fork. They feel really, really hot still. Cheers, guys. Oh my lord, they're spicy.
Really?
Yeah, but so good. Now I know what you're thinking. You guys went all the way to Nepal for wheat flour vegetable dumplings? Yes, and it was so worth it.
I'm so excited. I feel like it should taste way better knowing that we've actually put our hard work into it, right?
Yeah, why not?
Dip it in some of that pickle.
Send it.
Whoa. That is tasty.
Flavor explosion.
Flavor punch. Bubble. Oh.
At the beginning she asked us how many we wanted to make each and we just said maybe 10 just to try it out. Kind of wishing I went for 25 million now. It's so simple. It is just a dumpling, but it's so much more than that. Very complex. You've got all the fillings inside adding to the flavour. You've got the chewiness of the wrapper. and then that dipping sauce, the pickle. Ladies, thank you very, 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 very much.
Yeah,
Thank you, that was
so
amazing.
much, and thank you for having us.
Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Thank you. See you soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Alright guys, the Nepal Cooking School. When you come to Kathmandu and you want to do a cooking class, and believe me, you're going to want to do a cooking class, you can actually do a full 4-course meal lesson class, all for just $30 each, $30 US each, or you can do the Momo cooking class like we just did, and that's $15 each.
Yeah, the Momo cooking class is an hour long, which is like the perfect amount of time, and the full course one is about 3 hours, I think, something like that. So it's definitely really, really good value for money.
It's going to be the most delicious 3 hours of your life as well.
Yeah.
Put it that way. We're going to head off now. We will see you in the next video. Lots of love. Peace.
Bye.